Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff. This lesson shows how to create Excel's clean formula. It lets you eliminate non-printable or junk characters. Here's a report showing sales by employee. 2 items, highlighted in yellow, contain junk characters. You can use Excel's clean function in another column to create corrected employee names. Select the first data cell and type =, clean, left parenthesis, select the employee name cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. Notice that the junk characters for both employees have been eliminated. The employee names after using clean are now correct and look more professional. Also, ungrouping columns G through I, see that the sales for each region have been summed. In column H with the SUMIF function using the incorrect before clean employee names, and in column I with the correct after clean employee names. The sales total of $108,000 in column E of the report is incorrect in the before trim calculation column, but it's correct in the after trim calculation column. This same correction happens for calculations like VLOOKUP and COUNTIF. Clean doesn't just provide a visual improvement to data, formula totals are corrected too. So use clean whenever you think you may have non-printable or junk characters in your data. Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.